Have you ever wondered why some people earn a good salary but still struggle with money every single month? It's not always because they don't make enough. In many cases, it's because of small financial habits that slowly drain their income without them even noticing. The truth is that becoming financially stable doesn't always require earning six figures or winning the lottery. It usually starts with making smarter decisions every day. The difference between someone who constantly worries about money and someone who builds long-term wealth often comes down to habits, not luck. Welcome to Money Blueprints USA, where we share practical financial advice that can help you save more, spend smarter, and build a stronger future. If you're serious about improving your finances, make sure to watch until the end, because the final mistake is one that millions of people continue to make without realizing it. Let's begin with the first mistake. Mistake number 1, living beyond your means. One of the biggest reasons people struggle financially is lifestyle inflation. This happens when your income increases, but your spending increases just as fast, or even faster. Imagine someone gets a promotion and starts earning an extra $1,000 each month. Instead of saving or investing that money, they buy a more expensive car, upgrade to a bigger apartment, subscribe to more streaming services, and start eating out more often. At first, everything feels great, but after a few months, that higher income disappears into higher monthly expenses. Even though they're earning more than before, they don't actually feel richer. Wealthy people often think differently. Instead of spending every dollar they earn, they focus on keeping their expenses under control while allowing their investments to grow. Financial freedom isn't about looking rich. It's about building a life where your money works for you. Ask yourself one simple question. If your income increased tomorrow, would you invest the extra money, or would you immediately find new ways to spend it? Mistake number 2, never following a budget. Many people think budgets are boring or restrictive. In reality, a budget is simply a plan for your money. Without a plan, it's easy to lose track of where your income goes. A few coffees here, online shopping there, food delivery several times a week. It may not seem like much at first, but over months and years, those small expenses can add up to thousands of dollars. Creating a monthly budget doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It simply means you're making intentional choices with your money instead of letting your money disappear without a purpose. One popular strategy is the 50-30-20 rule. Around 50% of your income goes toward needs like housing and groceries. 30% goes toward wants and entertainment. The remaining 20% goes towards savings, investing, or paying down debt. You don't need a perfect budget, you just need one that you can follow consistently. Now let's move to the third mistake. Mistake number 3, depending on only one source of income. Imagine waking up one morning and finding out your company is downsizing. Your paycheck suddenly disappears, but your rent, mortgage, utility bills, and groceries still need to be paid. That's why relying on a single source of income can be risky. Many financially successful people don't depend on just one paycheck. They build additional income streams over time. This doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't require being rich. Some people earn extra money through freelance work. Others invest in dividend-paying stocks, create digital products, start small online businesses, or rent out unused property. The goal isn't to work 20 hours a day. The goal is to create financial stability so that one unexpected event doesn't completely change your life. Even earning an extra $200 or $300 each month can make a significant difference over time. Instead of asking, how can I make more money today? Try asking, how can I build an income that continues to grow over the next 5 years? That small shift in thinking can completely change your financial future. Mistake number 4, waiting too long to invest. Many people believe investing is only for wealthy people. That's simply not true. One of the biggest advantages any investor has isn't a huge amount of money, it's time. Let's imagine 2 friends. Sarah starts investing at age 25. Mike waits until he's 35 because he thinks he'll start later when he has more money. Even if Mike invests more each month, Sarah may still end up with more money simply because her investments had an extra 10 years to grow. This is called compound growth. In simple words, your money starts earning money, and then those earnings begin earning money too. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. That's why many financial experts say the best time to start investing was years ago. The second best time is today. You don't need thousands of dollars. Even small monthly investments made consistently can grow into something meaningful over the long term. The key isn't perfection, the key is consistency. Mistake number 5, carrying high-interest debt credit cards can be useful financial tools when used responsibly, but they become dangerous when balances continue growing month after after month. Imagine buying something for $100 today. If you only make the minimum payment each month, you could end up paying much more than the original price because of interest. That's money that could have gone toward your savings, investments, or future goals. If you have multiple debts, consider paying off the one with the highest interest rate first while continuing minimum payments on the others. Every dollar you save on interest is another dollar working toward your financial future instead of someone else's profits. Remember this simple rule. Debt makes your money work against you. Investing makes your money work for you. The sooner you understand the difference, the sooner you can start building real wealth. Mistake number 6, not having an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and unfortunately not all of them are good. Your car might break down on the way to work, a medical bill could arrive when you least expect it, you could lose your job, or a family emergency might require immediate financial help. Without an emergency fund, many people turn to credit cards or loans, creating even more financial pressure. An emergency fund acts like a financial safety net. It gives you breathing room during difficult times and helps you avoid high-interest debt. A good goal is to save 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. If that sounds overwhelming, don't worry. Start small. Even saving $20 or $50 each week can grow into a meaningful emergency fund over time. The important thing isn't how much you start with, it's that you start. Mistake number 7, never learning about money. School teaches many important subjects, but personal finance often isn't one of them. As a result, millions of adults enter the real world without understanding budgeting, investing, taxes, credit scores, or retirement planning. The good news is that financial education is easier to access today than ever before. You can read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos, and learn from trusted financial experts. Every hour you spend improving your financial knowledge can pay dividends for the rest of your life. The wealthiest people don't stop learning once they make money. They continue learning because they understand that better knowledge often leads to better financial decisions. Remember, money is a skill. Like any skill, it improves with practice and education. Final thoughts. If you remember only one thing from today's video, let it be this. Building wealth isn't about getting lucky, it's about making smart decisions consistently. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. Start by creating a budget, save a little more than you did last month, pay down high interest debt, begin investing, even if it's a small amount. Keep learning about money every week. Small habits, repeated consistently over many years, can completely transform your financial future. 1 year from now, you'll either wish you had started today or be grateful that you did. The choice is yours. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Money Blueprints USA for practical money tips, investing strategies, and financial education designed to help you build long-term wealth. Leave a comment below and tell us which of these 7 money mistakes have you experienced and which one are you going to fix first. If this video helped you, share it with a friend or family member. Sometimes one simple financial lesson can change someone's future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.